Today we'll talk about how can you search for destination on your Trafico app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just come here to destination here, and here you search here for here you add here traffic. So here you add your current location, then you can you search for it here. Then here add dates, and here add rooms. So then you just click here on search here. So I'm going to add it here. For example, I'm going to search here this city here. Then here you click on apply dates. Then you click so then automatically it's going to show for you here in this list rooms on your Trafico app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.